We offer the Ion Footbath here at Healing Within. It's part of our detoxing therapy. And what we're doing is we have the array that we put in, and it ionizes the water, and it creates a negative and positive charge in the water. All toxins have a positive charge. And so what we're trying to do is create the negative charge. And when that's in the water, it helps draw the positive charged particles out of the body through the feet into the water. And so you can see a big difference from the time you start the session to the end. We actually have a chart that shows the different colors that represents what is coming out of the body. Pretty exciting.